Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to enter and create party. In the beginning, from the homepage of the console, press this button on the controller. Now go to bottom, Game Base, Parties and Start Party. Now you can select Open Party or Closed Party. Now you can invite players, share screen, adjust audio balance, mute, manage voice chat settings, chat transcription, or leave the party. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.